refreshing the Horizon Apex page, trying to find out for you when the Colossus goes live. But it has. Because road racers are swarming. Right, I'm hearing road racers are swarming. Alejandro is directing fans to the starting line, and there's already a course stretching halfway across Mexico, apparently. Yeah, okay, sure, those are pretty good indicators, I would say. Why don't I just hit play on the pulse tune instead? I'll stick to my